Hey, hello there. Welcome back to the weather update today. Right now we have 93B. Then we have subtropical storm Anna formed last night. 93B actually has a high chance of development. Slight risk of severe weather tonight, going into tomorrow. Marginal risk day 3, and then also on top of that we have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall tonight. Slight risk of excessive rainfall tomorrow. And day 3 is marginal as well. We'll be covering all that today. And then look at the North Indian Ocean, southwestern Indian, and also the Western Pacific and Southern. We have 93B, likely chance development the next 24 hours and beyond. Yeah, we're looking at something potentially significant. This could rapidly intensify. Right now, many scenarios are showing right now. Models been trending down, it seems, a tiny bit, which is good. However, the rainfall is definitely going to be an issue, especially when you head where it could make landfall anyways, could. So, yeah. So anyways, right now we're looking at subtropical storm Anna. Right now, currently has winds around 40 miles per hour. Expected to stay out to sea, and we'll continue to track this heading into the next couple days. However, though, yeah. So looking at the recent cone came out by the National Hurricane Center, it's probably updated by now. In 12 hours time, it's expected to be 40 miles per hour. Stay at that intensity and then become a tropical depression. A subtropical depression on 36 hours and then dissipate after. So yeah, quite the short-lived system, but it's a pre-season storm. It doesn't. I don't know. So anyways, though, looking at the convective outlook for tonight, we have a slight risk across Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Mexico, Colorado. Marginal risk across Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, and to Lake Superior, in fact. Wyoming, Colorado, and then New Mexico. Going into day 2, we have a slight risk across North Dakota, South Dakota, and also Nebraska, Kansas, and then Colorado. Marginal risk across Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New York, Pennsylvania, and then also New Jersey, and then also marginal risk for Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas. We got day 3. We have a marginal risk across Minnesota, and then Wisconsin, Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and also New Mexico. So anyways, right now we have a probabilistic outlook. We have 5% wind, 15% significant hail. Actually, 5% tornado, 15% wind, 15% significant hail. However, though, we've already seen numerous tornado reports today. So, yeah, we'll continue to see how this trends into tonight. We'll be covering this as well. And then looking at tomorrow, we have 5% tornado, 15% wind, 15% hail, and then across the Northeast, it's only 5% wind. So, I'm looking at the main tornado axis is going to be between probably South Dakota, if the Storm Prediction Center's outlook verifies, and yeah. And then looking at day 3, we have 5% probabilistic chance across the marginal risk. And we'll see what happens. We might be seeing an upgrade. We might be seeing expansions. It's 3 days out. Things are likely to change. And yeah. And then looking at precipitation the next 3 days. Right now we're looking at heavy rainfall still across Texas. And then across the Central Plains, really. And also heading to Wisconsin, to Montana, and all that. We'll continue to track excessive rainfall in the next couple of days, as it's going to be certainly an issue. So we'll be going action into excessive rainfall outlooks right now. So looking at excessive rainfall outlook tonight, we're looking at marginal across Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, Nebraska, and Wyoming. So we'll see how this trends tonight. We've already seen some pretty heavy rainfall so far. We'll continue to track this heading to later tonight. Anyways, looking at day 2 for excessive rainfall, we have a slight risk across Texas, marginal risk across Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Texas, North Dakota, South Dakota, maybe a small area of Nebraska. Again, Texas, another threat for excessive rainfall. They definitely do not need any rainfall right now, and it's still gonna come. It's still gonna come down. This is still a day to be aware of any alerts. If you get under a flash flood warning, take action immediately. Then looking at day 3, we have a marginal risk across Ohio, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, maybe a small area of Virginia, and then also Texas. Flash flood is one of the leading killers in the U.S. Turn around, don't drown. Again, have a plan just in case it's you're under a flash flood. There's a flash flood. It could pop up in nearly instantly. So it's always better to have a plan. However, that's it for today's video. Yeah, pretty interesting. However, though, TGHQ must be under the gun for severe weather next week. Yeah, we'll continue to monitor this. However, though, we'll be monitoring all the hazards that are ongoing right now as well. So, yeah, that's really it. Goodbye.